for modular avatars. I am in 6.2, the new one. And I can click on the library tab, it opens it up. I can double click on avatar, double click, I'm doing female version 2, you could do male version 2. And then I do have a folder that says avatar modular, but it sounds like some of you guys don't have that. You can always try hitting this little, do you see this little download arrow? That might update things. I don't know, or maybe it just didn't get downloaded this semester. I'm not sure. So I will do a live Zoom with one of the students to see if I can help that student find it. But I just wanted to make this quick video of how I would pull out a special avatar for the modular configurator. Also, just between you and me, see how she's like kind of tall and slender? When I first started playing with modular configurator, I didn't even know that you should use a special avatar. It worked on the other avatars as well. That's just a tip if you want to play around with. But anyways, I'm just going to end this video for now.